I hope it's not. I just restarted OBS completely. What? Oh, it's because I moved the crate before I did set up OBS. I moved them above this thing. Okay. What? Oh. Sorry, there's a bot getting a bit too zealous. Okay, so I know what the issue is. I reordered stuff and now it's trying to create stuff before the socket's actually open. Okie dokie. Shit. Okay, maybe this is fine. Okay, let me just put this back inside here, I guess. So monitor scene is created first, and then starting scene is created after that. Will that work? No one else was in the room where it happened. Yep, index 90. Yeah, this one's still throwing an error. At main TS 332. Wait, 332? Source of undefined. Oh, because I changed it. 332. Starting scene, items, monitor scene, source, add filter. But it is there. So what the fuck are you on about? It's part of... Oh, I changed the name of it. Yeah, so this should be monitor source scene. Yep. Right? Oh, oh. Yes, look at that. It's inside the screen now. Oh, that looks awesome. Okay, so now I just need to play with the scaling, but that looks fucking mint. Look at that. Yo. Oh. Alright, that looks mint. That looks fucking mint. Alright, so now I just need to play around with the settings on it, which is when I add... Where am I passing those settings? That's a good question. I don't remember. Main scene. Starting scene. No, when do I pass that in and give it those properties? I don't think I do anymore. Lamel, I don't, because it's now just this. Yeah. Okay. So monitor scene is that, and then it would be a... What is it? So yeah, new image source goes to that. That goes to this. It should still be inside there. So I guess just after monitor source, I go down here and do position. Ah, I can do that. Cool, 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 cool. It's because I'm not updating it. It wasn't changing. So if I go into starting desk and then I go to monitor scene, I go to transform, edit transform. So its position is an object. We go X is 865 by 619. Y is 619. And then we want to go down to the next thing, which would be scale. And we want to do X was... Shit, what scale were we passing in? That's a good... I think it was 1.8. And then Y was 3? No. These should be tiny. 0.18. And then Y was 3. Does that stick? Nope. Oh, 0.3. Whoops, not 3, 0.3. Whoops-a-daisy, I scaled the shit out of it. Okay, so it's not 3. 3 is way too tall. 2.6. No, 2.6. And then this should be 1.4? No, X should be wider. 2.3. Too wide. Let's just 0.2. Oh. Oh, that's looking almost perfect. A little bit taller. Because I can see the bounding box on it. What do you guys think of that? What do you think of that? I can tweak the settings of the filter itself. So I'll probably change how much it bends. and how much feathering there is. So I'll probably set the strength to 24 and then the feathering to 10%. The CRT filter is fucking sick. Highly agree with that.
Do you want a full reference number? 646. Line out process. Walking there.
I think, you guys think that looks pretty good? Or should it be a bit wider? Says it flat, it fits in there, but because it's stretching it a bit, it should be a little bit wider. Oh, I think that's okay. So 2 is 2 pies, 215. It should be right between that. 2-1. Oh, I think that's it. No, 2-1-2. There we go. Oh, that looks awesome. Alright, so we play with the feathering a bit more on it. How it looks reminds me of primary school computers. Yeah. So what's going to happen is it's going to zoom. Okay, it needs to be a bit taller. Because I see the top and bottom are cropping a bit. Is 2.8 good? I think it needs to go down a little bit. Like like 1 or 2 pixels down. There we go. Oh, that looks awesome. So what's going to happen is that little animation will play and then it will zoom in on the screen. Now, when it does, monitor scene, it's going to play an animation on the filter and then the actual thing will change. So I need to code up that animation because that's going to be fun on a bun. Yeah, how you doing, Shlee, by the way? How you doing? Alright, so we have those 2 filters added. And then we're going to have to animate those over time. So let's... the other thing we have to add to monitor scene is just the background animation that's going to be looping there that we'll figure out. So let's go back to monitor scene. So I'll go back to main so you guys can see what we're doing. So we go to monitor scene and we just have these 2 at the moment. Right. Now, the other thing we're going to have is the loading animation that we used to have. So I'm going to have to get that working as well. Okay, no, that's camera scene. I went too far. Where is it? Where is it? Monitor scene? Monitor scene. There it is. So we have the media source. Cool. Now we need to add in another media source. That's that one. Cool. And this will be called Looking Extra Shaved Today. Yeah. Working hard. Wish I was hardly working. Fail. Fair, fair, fair. Fair, fair, fair. I am looking extra shaved today because I am extra shaved today. Both are the top and the bottom. All shaved up. Okay, so this one will then be called loading source is a new media source. I can probably just copy this code because we do want it to line up. But this will be called loading, and the settings, the local file won't be post, it'll be the loop. So I need to go to where that is. Where's assets? There we go. So hype train, no. It'll be a video. Do I have a starting one? Starting, yes. Reveal and file explorer, there it is. Top and bottom, yeah. Top of my head and my chin. Get your mind out of the gutter. Get your mind out of the gutter, you dirty memers. Wait, do I not have the looping animation? What did I use? Oh, is it big files? It is. It's an AVI, which it doesn't need to be an AVI. So I'm going to bring it into Media Converter and compress the shit out of it. Oh my god. I need to convert all of these because they're currently like WebMs and shit. Ah! Loud fucking noises. Bruh. So I'm going to convert this one because it's currently an AV fucking I and it's 646 megabytes for a 6-second loop that doesn't need transparency. It has no transparency. So let's do startup loop.mp4 render. It's literally just that little loading bar loop, and that motherfucker's huge for no reason. So I don't need that anymore because that's pretty old. Oh, there it is. Lomel. Okay, so now we can utilize that one. So that should be part of starting, and then instead of BIOS post, it should be called startup loop.mp4. Scale should be able to be 1:1. Oh, this needs to be underneath it. That's right. So I need to do it the other way around. So the way that we currently handle ordering is it's vertical. So if this is first, it will be underneath. And then it stacks, as you go down, it'll stack them on top because it creates in that order. Why is this angry? Oh, that also goes to there. Okay. I had too many brackets. Let's see if this works. To monitor scene. Do we have both? Oh, we do. So I can do this and loading should be underneath. Why is that not working? There it is. Sweet. Bonk. So it has this BIOS screen that'll pop up first. And then when that finishes, it'll show the loading screen underneath. So it'll play through this as it's zooming in. And then that'll finish and it'll go to the loading screen. And then that'll play for a bit, etc., etc. Okay, so now I need to define. So local file, looping. Do we not have that as part of media source? Bro. Is that... Come... Brendan. Could I get you to... So our code is severely lacking at the moment because we only have local file. And I want to be able to tell it to loop, which isn't good. It's not good at all. Okay, well, I guess I can't make this today because we don't have this functionality yet. And I'd have to do a pull request. I don't want to do a pull request. Fuck. Yeah. So this sucks. Shit. Fuck, we don't have that functionality yet. So I guess visible for both of these should start as false. And then I want to set them both to true at the same time. And then start zooming in. And then animate the filter. Okay. That shouldn't be too hard. There's going to be a third portion of this, but I have to animate it first. I love pinto beans. All right, so if we go into Stream Deck, so we make a new key, which fortunately we already have one we prepared earlier. So I'm going to grab that and do this little animation, which should be this one, which is called Filter Editor, which I'm going to rename Start. Yep. So now on Start, key down Start. Instead of doing all this, need to minimize chat so you can see it. Instead of doing all this, we're going to run a little animation. Now I need to remember how to run an animation. It's one of those days. Animate. Hey, this is the way we've done it. So animate, and then we want to do subjects. Monitor. Starting scene is main scene dot items dot starting scene. Actually, could we just import starting scene from main? We probably can, and then we can reference it directly. Am I exporting it? I am. Item, oh no, just starting scene dot source. No, I have to reference it from main to actually animate it, yeah. So main scene dot items dot starting scene dot source. Right? Yo, Spaceline, how you do? We also want to animate monitor scene, which is starting scene dot items dot monitor scene dot source. Yeah. Keyframes is declared here. What? No, it's not. Bruh. Animate, open subjects, then keyframes. There we go. Alright, so then starting scene. The first thing we want to do... Actually, the first thing we want to do is turn on the visibility. So... monitor scene dot items dot loading. No, we want to do screen dot screen first dot set properties visible true. And then we want to do the same thing. Or can we wait that? I can. Sweet. Instead of screen, I want it to be loading. But the same thing. Then we want to get onto the animation. Oh. Alright, so starting scene. Object. So we set both of those to visible. And then we wait a bit. And then we run this animation. Yep, that's the best way to do it. Oh, wait. Wait. We'll do 2 seconds. And then it'll start zooming in. Okay, so starting scene. And then we want to do scale. What? I forgot the little thingy-me-bob. So we want to go scale. What? What? Oh, do I just need to finish it before it all stop being angry? Probably. X, we want it to go to... So starting scene should already be at base 1, 1. So we want to scale up to... I don't know, 3? What? Numbers are not assignable to cape... What? What? Oh, that's right. It's got to be number. So scale X, object, and then at 2 seconds. No, then how long do we want the zoom for? Like 5 seconds? So 5,000, we want to go 3. And then Y is an object. 5,000, we also go to 3. I forgot you got to do it like this. Right, comma here. Okay, so why is keyframes angry on that? Monitor scene is missing in type starting scene. What? What? The fuck? Monitor scene is declared here. What? Oh, nice. Nice. Legit didn't want to get out of bed until like 10 or 20 minutes ago. That's fair. That's very fair. What the fuck? Main scene items. What? The expected type comes from property keyframes, which is declared here on type timeline. Did I miss a bracket or subjects and then keyframes? The keyframe's closed. I don't understand the issue. Monitor scene is declared here. Do I need to do it via main scene? Because that would fucking suck. Should keyframes be inside subjects? No. Like, you can see an example over here. This is a perfect example of how to do it. Animate subjects. You do your subject and then keyframes. I think this just needs to be part of main scene. Dot source. Dot scene. Dot items. Dot monitor scene. Dot source. Nope, still angry. What the fuck? It's just indentation. Yeah, no, it's with the little comma there. Oh, yeah, sorry, that's my bad. I moved subjects back and I didn't get around to moving this yet. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I should have just done the fucking select them all and then do the shift tab. Because here's a perfect example. Why is it... Property key which is declared here on type timeline. Bruh. Also, Silkmofo, how you doing? Is it complaining about monitor scene not being defined in the keyframes object? Oh, is it just I haven't defined anything for monitor scene yet? That could be it. I think I just put something in here. So monitor scene, we want to animate the filters on it. Shit, how do I animate a filter? I haven't done that yet, actually. Shit. What's filter syntax? Bro, we haven't animated those yet. What's filter animation syntax? Does he have any documentation on the package? Let me go check. That's a good question. He started doing documentation, but now I don't remember where he sent it. Oh, how did he fucking animate it the other day? Is it CRT? What did I call the filter? So I want to animate a filter, and we should definitely be able to do that. Would it be dot filters? Do I need to specify that? No, because this wants a... Yeah, no, this wants a source. If I put a scale thing. Scale X 5003. No, that doesn't appease it. Oh. Object literal may only specify known properties, but monitor scene does not exist in type starting scene. Do you mean to write monitor scene? Oh, is it my capitalization? Yeah, I did mean to write monitor scene. Oh, and then I did a capital there as well. Bruh, I'm just dummy thick in the brain. So then this should be... Where is our filters? Dummy thick in the brain, especially in the morning. Even though it's the afternoon, but it still feels like the morning. This is the wrong file. That's why I'm not going to find what I'm looking for. Bail. What the fuck did I put? Yeah. So it's called CRT. Okay. Technically morning here. Exactly. That's the way to look at it. Settings? No. What would it be on CRT? What can we pass through? Let's look at their filters. That should be in my schema. Index. Filters. What can I pass through for shine? No. CRT. Good God. So strength? That should be quoted, shouldn't it? No. Maybe this will work? This will be a number. So then from at 4,000 seconds, we want it to be, what is it currently? I think I had it at 10. No, monitor scene. What is the filter on here? So for CRT, the strength is currently set to 33.33. 33.33. And then at 6,000 seconds, I want it to be at 0. Yeah, because then 0 should be flat. And then I want feathering to go to 0 as well. What did I had feathering at 25, I think. Cool. So then comma on that, and then _2 feathering should be at 4,000 milliseconds. It should be 25, and then at 6,000, it should be 0. Okay, and then so that should be good. And then if we go to scan line, we want to do the same thing, but we just want to turn the roll bar strength off. And then scan lines to... how do I get rid of that then? Oh, I just set scan line brightness min-max to be 0. So scan line settings. So it'd be intensity 0. So we got CRT there, comma, and then we go to scan line object, roll bar strength, which I'm assuming is 0. So fucking weird. _0 strength, which would be this similar setting. So we want 4,000 seconds. It should be at its... What's a good strength for that roll bar? About 40? Yeah, we'll say 40. We want it to be at 40. And then at 6,000, we want it to be at 0. And then the other effect we want to change is underscore 1 underscore intensity square. Jesus Christ, this is so fucky. Object 4000 should be 95. And then at 6000, we want it to be 100. I don't know if this is gonna work. To be perfectly honest, this might not work at all. Like, at all. But I'm willing to try it. Let's try it. So it should be this button. Should run an animation. Here's the moment of truth. Does fucking shit all. Cannot read property source of undefined. Fuck. That doesn't work. Where is that at? Stream Deck TS 130. It can't find this. Property source of undefined. Why is monitor scene undefined? It's there. It's there. It's there. It was capital. It was capital. I'm just, again, the dummy thick in the brain strikes again. Let's see if it works. The visibility on those should be false. Why is it true? Did I do it? Yeah, this should be false on visible. What? Why are these set to true? They should be false. Bruh? Okay. So now when I hit this button, I'm in main scene. I hit this button. What the fuck is that shit? Why is it over there? Why is it over there? What? What? Why is it there? What? Bruh. Oh, alignment wasn't being passed. I wasn't passing through alignment, so it wasn't. It's just set it to top left. Okay, so now it's in the middle. And then if I hit this button, hey, they turn on. Cannot read property source of undefined. Bro, what do you fucking mean? 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 Bruh. What? The fuck? Cannot read property source of undefined. On line 130. Why not? Why the fuck not when it exists? Apparently this is undefined. Also, how you doing, Ken Ninja? What does main scene give us? It's undefined. It's just undefined. What is in items of starting scene then? Because it exists there. Okay. What? Oh, no, that needs to be source. I went up instead of down. Source. No, just starting scene dot items? Dot. Doesn't this starting scene should have items on it? Or is it dot source? Dot items? Wait, what does dot source have then? What the fuck? Okay, so that scene. No, I said source, not scene. But that has items on it. And then monitor scene. Source dot items dot. No. So that should be it. Does that work? Apparently items doesn't exist, but that's some bullshit. And we both know it. Undefined? Items does not exist on source. But it's a scene. Bruh. 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 It's there. I console log this and it exists. Dot items. Okay, let's just console log that. I should be able to. Yeah, there it is, right there. Monitor scene. Monitor scene is right there. And then the source of that has items. What the fuck? It's right there. Items dot monitor scene exists. I can see it. I can fucking see it. It's a scene item. It's right there. But that doesn't have filters. But it just had... Oh, source. Dot source? Apparently that's undefined. Did I do a capital S before? Was that my issue? Let me try this. Because that's definitely valid. That's definitely valid. Let me try this. Specified filter doesn't exist. Okay. What? So it is trying to animate the filter. But apparently it doesn't exist. Okay, so it is working now. It is working now, but now we can't get the filter. Let me bring back that console log. Let me bring back the console log. And see if I'm referencing it incorrectly. That just doesn't want a console log. Did I not save it? Okay, that doesn't want to do anything. It's not console logging at all. What? I'm just gonna add it to main. So I don't have to hit the fucking button every time. Cannot read property source of undefined. What do you fucking mean? Main TS 443. What? Is it on starting scene that it's... Starting scene is not undefined. Wait, what is the items on main then? It's... Starting scene is right there! Dot starting scene. Is undefined when I was just looking at it. What? Oh, I have to await. It's because I'm doing it too early on that. Oh, wait. 1,000 seconds first, and then console log it. Because if I do it too early, it's empty. But see, there it is there. Starting scene. Source. No, so starting scene dot scene. No, dot source. Dot items. Dot monitor scene. Dot source. Dot filters. CRT and scan line. They exist. So why does it... And then... Settings. What the fuck? What do you mean it doesn't exist on monitor scene? What the fuck? Bruh. I don't understand. Like this button just doesn't do anything now. There it is. So we have scanline and we have CRT, and they're two shaders. It console logs correctly. So we should be able to access the filters, but it says they don't exist. CRT and scanline. Bruh. Animating filters is fucked. Let's pass it through some settings then and see if that works. So underscore strength, set to 33.33. And then underscore 2 feathering, we'll set that to 25. And then for scanline, we're going to pass through strength as well and set it to 40. Then we're going to do underscore 1 intensity 0 and set that to 95. Bonk, 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 bonk. But for some reason, this animation is just angry. And I don't understand why. It's good fun. It's good fun. It's good fun. It's good fun. I don't know. It exists. It's there, but it won't animate. And it just doesn't care. I do this. It turns on the screen. It console logs the shaders being there. And then it does nothing. But it doesn't console log any errors. What? 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 Excuse me, your animation didn't play, but it didn't error either. Look, if I move this here, so this is the window here that's meant to be animating. Here's the console log on the right. Here's the console log. I push the button right now. Push button, go. It turns on the sources. And it didn't... I removed the console log. The animation should be playing. It should be scaling up starting scene. But it's not. It's not doing anything. The animation just isn't running. It should be scaling it up. Oh, I did X and Y. Yeah, no, both of these should go to 5,000 over the okay, 0. Whatever it is at the fucking moment. Starting scene should be 1, 1, yeah. 0, 1. 5,000 milliseconds, it should be scale is 3. Is it doing that? No. Why? Fuck knows. But it's not erroring anymore. It just doesn't want to animate. Okay, so let's just fuck off with the filters for now. And all of monitor scene. So it's just zooming in. It's just doing the animation. Nothing else. It's just zooming in that one scene. That's all it should do. Starting desk should zoom in. Its scale should just increase. How to loop animations. Oh, fuck yeah. It turns on and it should just be zooming in. What? Why is it not animating? Why isn't it increasing its scale? What? What? Why isn't it scaling up? This is the most simple animation. Starting scene, scale, X, 0 to 5,000, 1 to 3. Y, 0 to 5,000, 1 to 3. What? 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 The fuck? I don't fucking know anymore. This should just be working. This should be working. This should be working. Would position work? Position X 5,000 go to 10,000. Will that run? I don't know what else to fucking do. Will that run? I don't know. I don't fucking know anymore. What's happening? None of the animations running. What? 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 None of the animation will run. I don't understand. This is such a basic bitch animation. Why doesn't this want to work? What? It is because I don't even know. Listen, I'll just move it over here. Here's the console. I put a console log in there. Yeah, it's calling it and nothing happens. What the fuck? It's calling it because that's what the tests are, but it's just not doing anything else. What the fuck? I'm not even animating a filter. Why? Alright, give me a sec. Starting screen, shush. Loud. CD, packages. Client. CD, Memedows, SP1. CD, packages, client. Yarn ad, simple, OBS, animation. Are any of the other animations working? That's a good question, Josh. That's a very good question that you should have asked yourself. But why the fuck is this shit? What the fuck? Get out of here. That's the old code. Bruh. Were the other animations working? I think, the only way I can try it is to minimize. Does minimize work? Where is chat? As far as I can tell, chat's... Yeah, so chat is... Animations are working. Animations are working. So why is this one not working? Oh, is it because I'm pointing it towards the source? Oh, do I not need... I don't think I need to specify source at the end. Let me try that. I think it was because I was pointing it to the source instead of the scene item object. There it is. There it is. I figured it out. It was having source at the end of this. Yeah. Okay, so then... Actually, I do need position in here, but I don't need to send it off to 10,000. I want to send it to, like... I don't know yet, actually. I don't know. It should be the position of these, which I do have the coordinates for on main. Yeah, no, it's zoomed in now. It's just being fucking dumb. Main TS. A bunch of syntaxy bullshit. So this thing's position should be not documented anywhere. I love it. I had this documented. What? 865 by 920. 865. And then Y needs to be 920. Y, object. Yo, Tiger Fight, Professor, how you both doing? And then this should be 620. Auto-correcting our naming. Alright, let's see if the filter will work as well. Now that I got rid of that bullshit. Will it work on everything now? Am I just dumb? Probably. Wait, why won't it set the scale back? Oh god! Stinky! I didn't declare it. Starting scene doesn't actually have a scale when I added it to main. So... It's stinky. I need to set its scale. Starting scene to main. To set it back to 1 each time. Bonk. There it is. Okay, will this work? Let's find out on this episode of God damn, I hate this code sometimes. Because I wrote it. Are the filters animating? No. Okay. Okay. That's good fun. That's good fun. I love it. It's zoomed. Okay, specified filter doesn't exist still. Oh, why? It does! Bruh. Bruh. Also, I realized I have to change how I do this anyway. I'll just reload the code. Love coding. Same. Cool. I realized that I was doing this wrong anyway. Monitor C needs to be by itself on main as a small version of itself and not in starting scene, so when I zoom in it doesn't get blurry. Otherwise it's just gonna get blurry. Yeah. So I need to grab that out and then I need to add that to main and not to this. Yeah. So I need to do wait main scene dot add item brackets brackety boys quote starting nope monitor scene little comma open an object, paste that bitch in there, get rid of this object wrapping it, get rid of some objects down the bottom wrapping it before I tap it, and then that should work. And then these need to be, no, that should be fine because it's referenced via them. Okay. What the fuck? Huh. That looks angry. That looks real angry. That's a big error. Let's just try it. But that's a big error. Cannot read property source indexed at main 365. Oh, I moved it. Yep. Yep. Give me a sec. I moved some stuff and then it's angry because it's adding filters to the wrong source. Okay. Okay, does that exist on there now? Apparently not. Still angry. Does this work? Okay, that's okay, so that is intentional. You might be like, Josh, what the fuck are you doing? This is intentional. Okay, cool. That's what I want it to do. So I need to change the position it zooms to because 865 and 620 is not correct, apparently. So we want it to go the other way. So that needs to be higher so that it moves further to the right. So that should be 1,000. And fuck it, let's say this should be higher, so that should be lower. Let's do 400. Does this work? Let's find out on this episode of Dragon Ball Fuck. So I want the monitor to basically be the whole screen. So scale can probably be 4 as well. And then the position X needs to be further to the right. So let's make that 1500. And then the Y still needs to be higher. So let's just set it to 0. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay, a little bit too far to the right. Back the other way. Let's do a 1300. The Y is a little bit too high now. So we'll set it to 100. Let's go. Dragon Ball. Fuck. Okay, scale still a little bit higher. Let's try 5. See how that bad boy goes. And a little bit further down, 200. And a little bit further to the right. So we'll go back to 1400. But that's almost perfectly centered. Let's see how this looks. Yes. Yes. Okay, that, so a little bit further to the right. Let's try 1500. Our monitor scene is currently on top of starting desk, but that is fine because starting desk also has the issue of that not being filled in, which is I need to change. So I need to get rid of this color source that's there so that I can put it underneath, and then I need to make it the other way around. No, that should go that ordering, because we're doing monitor scene first, and then we're adding starting desk. What? The fuck? It should be the other way. Oh, let me... Oh, it's because I needed to do that. And then do that. And then run the code again. Then it should bazinga and make both of them in the correct order. Yes. Now, where is monitor scene? Oh, it's blank. So... I need to add a color source to main. Await main scene dot add item starting backdrop. Bazinga. Actually, probably more preferential to just add these both to a scene. Yo, Slee, how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, if we probably just add these both to a different scene that has a black background thing on it. That would probably be the easiest, actually. Export const starting wrap, because it's wrapping everything, is new scene. But yeah, how you been, Slee? What's been going on? Starting wrap items. Should just be a color source, which I didn't copy that one from earlier, so I'm gonna have to put another one in. God damn it. What's poppin'? Oh wait, yeah, you gotta do the lowercase. Gotta do the lowercase. Source is a new color source. Bracket object open name the void. We call it the void. Why? Don't ask. Because I don't know. Settings. Object width. 1920. Height. 1080. Color. 0x. FF 000000. Cool. Okay, sensitivity, you fool me once again. Yep. Ooh, why is this angry? What? Bro? Oh, this should be a name of it. That's right. Not sort. No, yes. We need to put a name before it and then put that in a thing. So this should be called the void. Make it into an object and then put this inside that. There we go. Now it's not angry. Making beef and cabbage steamed dumplings. Fuck in hell. Please send me some. That sounds amazing. Holy shit, that sounds sick. Monitor scene, bonk. Go to horny jail. So then we need to add both of these to starting scene and then add that to main. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, so monitor scene should be starting wrap for both of these, and then we add starting wrap to main. Starting wrap. Starting wrap. Cool, 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 cool. That should be good now, and now I can reference them. So this would then be dot. So starting wrap. Starting wrap. I can animate them relative to that. Okay. Something frozen that can make it to you in time. Just send you some dumplings. No, you should trust anything. So that's not prepackaged. Yeah, that's the other issue. Is food safety across international borders is a whole other fucking thing. That's a whole fucking thing. Also, do you guys like that the website puts your profile picture in the icon in the left? Okay, let's see if this creates it properly. So I delete these and then delete that. Oh, do I ever create it? I don't think I do. Await. Oh, that's wrong. Await. Starting wrap dot create. That'll do it. Actually, I like that a lot. Very cute and straight up vintage Windows shit. Yeah. Canary property source of undefined at main TS 389. Ah, yep, these again. Starting wrap. Filters being applied to the wrong. Oh, bro, what? Please work. Yes, these are both in starting wrap now. Are they in the right ordering? That's a good question. Does the animation still... Oh, it does! Yo! Okay, so a little bit further to the left. So, 1450? Maybe? Let's try it. We're getting somewhere, gamers. We're getting somewhere. Oh, oh. Oh, we're so close. 1440? Because you just got those couple little pixels on the left there. I'm just trying to animate it so the computer screen disappears. Oh my god, 1430? Mere pixels. I imagine it would cost a fortune, but it's not that hard to make fully sealed styrofoam chests and stuff it with food and dry ice, but it would easily be really big and probably be like $200 in shipping and something. Also, the likelihood of it arriving here without melting all of the dry ice is pretty low. Gonna be honest. Pretty low. So now I need to do a similar thing, but for the monitor scene, which still doesn't want to animate the filters. Wait, so it is passing it, but it's angry for some reason. And I don't know why. See some pixels in the bottom right corner? Oh, you're right. I know how to fix that. I know how to fix that. Let's see if this works. Okay, that's doing something. Okay, so this should be try 9. Oh, yeah, this should go to 960 by 540. I get meat shipped from Japan and it arrives still frozen, but I imagine it gets held in customs. Yeah. Oh, also just stuff shipping to Australia at the moment is mega fucked. That doesn't want to run. What's going on? Yeah, stuff just shipping to Australia is fucked at the moment. Okay. Yo. Yo. We're almost there. We're almost there. I just need to get these filters animating. And I don't know why it doesn't want to animate. Do I have to... did Brendan ever show you how to animate filters? Do you have to specify like filter dot something? Or do you just... doing the thing.
Do you want a full record?
But he just passed in the name.
646.
Because we're so fucking close. It's just these filters. So this is the code I have for trying to animate it, and it's... What the fuck? Keyframe from Skeena. Scale. Wait. Why is filter inside scale? What? Wait. Why is filter inside scale? What? And then filter is a... Oh, no, that's a different filter. Bounds, rotation, number, visible boolean, locked... What are the other ones? Okay, let me... Crop, bounds, rotation, visible, locked. Where do I specify a filter? This is a different filter. Keyframes from schema. How has... Did Brendan ever show you... Shit, how did he do it? Let me check my history, because he's done it. He linked me to docs. But he never showed me how he animated filters. Object.filters? Like, do you have to specify it as a separate... Like, would it be monitor filters? Is starting wrap dot items dot monitor scene dot source dot filters? Missing the following properties from type source settings. No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, source settings, filter settings is not assignable type animation subject. But it doesn't appear to be an object on here. There's nothing. There's crop, bounds, rotation, visible, locked. None of these is filter. So how do you... But he's done it! Bruh. He linked me like a documentation thing. But now we can't find it. How did he do it? I'll have to search in the repo. Scene item source. Okay, animation subject can be a scene item, a source, or a filter. Oh, do I just have to specify which... So I need to specify the filter dot CRT. Filters dot CRT. That should... And then this wouldn't be in here, it would be its own thing. Why is that? Okay, so apparently monitor... Okay, so that can be a thing. So if I close... Wait, no. Go down a thing. Close that off. And then I go to monitor filters. And then I put this in here. Expected... Oh, yep. I think I figured it out. Monitor filters, yep. And then scanline would be its own separate object. So monitor... So you have to specify a filter as a... So monitor CRT. And then it'd be monitor scanline. So comma, and then monitor scan line. Okay. Monitor scan line. Monitor scan line that, and then this needs to close the object. Why is this angry? Why is this angry? So that goes to there. Oh, okay. Wait, so that opens, it closes. That closes that. That's not necessary. That's not necessary. Where does that link to? Where does keyframes close? Up here. What? No. Oh, that'll probably be why. Okay, does this work? Holy shit, if this works, you just have to specify a filter as an animatable object. Come on. Come on. Yo! Oh shit! Oh shit, it fucking worked! I have to tweak the times a bit, but that fucking worked! Holy shit, that fucking worked! Yo! Yo. See how it like transitions through the screen? I just need to tweak the animation numbers, but that's fucking working. Should it move slower? Should the overall animation be slower? Yo. 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 That's so fucking clean. Bonk. And it'll play the sound effects that we used to have as well. Yo, okay, so let me increase some of the times, because at the moment it's I think it's a bit too fast at the moment. Shlee, are you still here? Shlee, are you still here? Alright, let's see how this looks. This is doubling the speed of it. Yo. What the fuck? That looks sick. Do you guys see the filters changing, or is it not too obvious? So when the screen turns on, it'll play the normal spool up, it'll do the loading animation, and then it'll slowly like transition between them. And then the... See the edges like curl in? Fuck, that looks so cool. That looks so cool. Bro. Have you invented the internet yet? Fuck off.
yeah, she's on the
Get out of here. Get out of here.
reference number. 646.
You fucking memers.
We are now close.
I'm just playing with some numbers. I'm just tweaking some stuff. Yo, Fred, how you doing? Fred, check this out. Oh, I need to do the sound effect. The game Wreckfest? I mean, it is a game. I don't know if I have very strong opinions for or against it. Yo, the curling of the screen at the edge at like the last second is the coolest shit to me. I love that so much. Look at this. Plonk. Plus winning 100 between you and someone else. I mean that's cool and all, but I don't know. I'm vibing. Do they have like a demolition derby thing going on? Have I got the tournament for you? They already... Can I just restart the animation? I cannot. Oh, it kind of works. So this is where it starts at, and then it fades down to the other one. I need to restart the code or else it doesn't work. Let me bring this a bit further forwards.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Yep. Bonk. Turns on. Does a little slow zoom. And it transitions into... Oh, that looks so good. 12 teams of 2 over 4 Wednesdays. Mario Party-esque bullshit point system and lots of memeing. What's up, Fred? What are we waiting for? The version filter on it for a second at the beginning. There is. Dude, but it has that. What? It has the filter on it. It might be getting compressed out. It might be getting compressed out. I don't remember how we changed the audio on this stuff. Where it makes the screen like scan over. Do you not see that? It's doing that, yeah. It might be getting compressed out. Because yeah, it has it here. See? The scan lines are a bit hard to see. Give me a sec. Modify it a bit. I just needed to ramp it up before so it doesn't get removed by Twitch. Yeah, it was getting like washed out. That was the issue. Okay. Oh. Ah, so I do need to pass that in. One sec. Is that passing through the settings I want? It is. Cool. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, let me reload it. It should be more obvious now, yeah. So now as we run through... Oh, why is that angry? Marge, get out of here. Alright, bonk. So it turns it on. I might lower the number of scan lines so it's more obvious. Scan lines, yeah, that's it. I'll set it to let me check a better number. Bonk. Longer while it's widescreen. Well, it's meant to be like you're going into the screen. Oh, I'm not passing through this. Whoops. Oh, I haven't saved that file. Good. Yeah. Oh, hey, cutie. I see you over there, Sarah. What's up, cutie? Alright, so on scanline, I need to pass in a timescale of... So scanlines needs to be set to 300. And then... Would it be... Speed? Yes. Speed... Actually, no, that doesn't need the quotes on it. Which would be... 0.5. What else am I passing through here? I think that's it. I am Speed. Speed Demon. Bazinga. Alright. Does that look a bit better? Let's see how it looks on main. Oh, that looks good. Oh, I need to swap the position of those filters so that they don't... It needs to be the other way around. No, it does need to be that way. Yep. Alright, let's try it. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, cool. We're working on the intro. Now I need to remember how I had the stuff fade out. How did I have the sounds fade out? That's a good question. How the fuck did I do that?
You want a full reference number? 636.
A princess should not place her weapon. A princess should not place her weapon.
Oh god.
A princess should not place her weapon. A princess should not place her weapon. It's just the princess should not place her weapon. It's just the princess should not place her weapon. It's just the princess should not place her weapon. It's just the princess should not place her weapon. It's just the princess should not place her weapon.
I make it fade out? It's very helpful. Appreciate it. Bruh. What? What the fuck? So, you guys, look in general chat. How quality your JD logo is? Yeah, I appreciate it. Chef's Kiss reminds me of the GameCube logo. I know, I love it. Look in general and see why I'm kind of pissed right now. They asked me for a name and I responded, and that's not the name that I gave them. Bruh. Also, that's not the time slot I was given either. I mean, I guess it technically was. Yeah, what the fuck? Give me a sec, I gotta message some people and be like, hey, what the fuck's going on with this shit? That's not... They were like, yeah, we need all the schedule things today. And I'm like, okay. Here's the name. The name was meant to be Memedows 2. Electric Boogaloo. And they just straight up ignored that. And just put that in. Which is good fun. Very good fun. Yeah. Cool. Wait, where did
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Alright, here's the schedule. So it's on October 8th. Right at the start. There it is. What the fuck is this shit? This is just straight up incorrect. Well, what the fuck is this? That's not the name that I did at all. Like, why ask me for a name?
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Like, they didn't even just... Bruh. What the fuck? Like, look at this shit. This isn't right. This isn't right at all. I'm gonna have to message people now, because that one person is just not responding. Who do I fucking message? Who do I... I'm gonna message. I'm gonna message Slee. I'll just use Twitter.
Do you want a full reference number?
Give me a sec, memes. Oh my god, just let me save this fucking image.
Do you want a full reference number? 646. Line out process. Walk you there. Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Cool, 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 cool. Always fun when stuff. Okay, so I need to figure out why this is doing this. How did we do it before? So I did item comp sounds. What the fuck was comp sounds? Let me look through the JSON of the old Memedows because I exported it. Windows XP JSON and it's called comp sounds. So let's format. Oh, what did that do? Oh, what did that do? What the fuck is this? Alright, format document. John! I'm just gonna turn that one off for now. Okay, so I need to find what did I just say? I said it did something. Index backup, it should be called comp sounds. So comp sounds. Where is it? So this is here. Computer sounds.mp3. Windows XP computer sounds.mp3. Awesome. Streaming, Windows XP. Comp sounds. Computer sounds. What was this? I love the fucking thumbnail is so where is that from? Where is that from? I don't understand. Alright, so that's the computer sounds. Cool. So I definitely need that over in the assets folder. Where the fuck is that from? What the fuck? Okay, so I need to put that into assets, open file location, go back, go to sounds, drag that in. Computer sounds, bonk that in, and then what were these other ones doing? Why is chat over my fucking camera? Bruh. Okay, so minimize that bitch. Chat, where you at? There you are. Cool, go over there. Restart the code. Bunch of errors, probably. It's open? Oh, I'm listening to it in the media player. That'll do it. Alright, try again. Cool, that's moved over to there. Music back on. Cool. Then the other one is... So the boot function... Wait, why isn't physics turning on? Uh-oh. Item W conversion not found. Let me just do a hard reset. What? Just gonna delete everything. Because, yeah. Obviously something's fucked, so I have to reset everything. What do you fucking mean? Specified filter doesn't exist. Specified scene item doesn't exist. Requested scene or is... Come on. What sounds? What sound is trying to play? What the fuck? Specified scene item doesn't exist. Index TS9. What scene item? What? Nothing. Cool. Initialize is apparently throwing that error. Don't know where the fuck that's coming from. Requested scene. Where is this being run from? Sounds TS62. On media. And what media? There's no media playing. What do you fucking mean? Is OBS bugged? I'm gonna have to be right back because I think my OBS is in a bug state and I don't want to try and fix it. It's easier to just nuke it. Specified scene item doesn't exist. Which scene item is that? Why do you not tell me anything else? You don't know. It just doesn't tell me anything. It just doesn't tell me anything. It just says it doesn't exist and that's it. Cool. I love it. I love it. I don't just says specified scene item doesn't exist. But I can't it doesn't tell me what the scene item is. An error reporting out of OBS WebSocket. They're fixing that in the next big update, but that's not going to come out for another year because OBS WebSocket. It's because the error we're getting back is from OBS, and OBS just doesn't fucking tell you anything. Specified scene item doesn't exist. Which one? Which scene? Fuck knows, but it's one of them. Good luck. That's all it does. That's what it fucking does. It just says good luck, go fuck yourself. Bruh. I haven't changed anything. I now have to scour through the entirety of the main program to figure out when that error throws, with absolutely no idea where the fuck to start, and it won't tell me anything because it sucks a whole fucking load of ass. Debugger. Cool, let's figure out which fucking scene item it's angry about, because of course telling you this would be fucking too easy. And I also love that I can't... Why does Electron not let you see the debugger and the console at the same time? I would love to know that. Which one throws an error? It threw an error. It didn't even tell me anything. It just threw an error. Does it throw before it gets there? No. Oh, because that's the first thing. Okay. Where does it throw the error? Oh, is it that one? Wait, what do you mean they're undefined? Why are these all undefined? I have no idea. Straight up, no idea. The only... I've commented out so much. And it's still happening. What the fuck? Okay. Cannot read properties. Okay, so this is a different. Okay, so let's 417. Okay, let me start uncommenting stuff. Okay, that's fine. At main 445, which is probably because I haven't created it yet and I'm trying to do stuff to it. Yeah, camera window doesn't exist. Hey, red number 40. Camera window is not defined. Ooh. So I don't know what happened, and it just fucking broke. Specified scene. Wait, what? It's on chat window, camera window? What? Which fucking one? What do you fucking mean, cunt? Specified scene item doesn't exist. What do you fucking mean? It most definitely fucking does, because I was just doing this. What? Apparently, it just doesn't exist. Just doesn't exist, even though it fucking does, and I'm looking at it. It just doesn't exist. Just doesn't exist, apparently. OBS was just like, nah. That doesn't exist anymore. Fuck you! I'm OBS. I haven't changed anything. I haven't fucking changed anything. What do you fucking mean? What do you fucking mean? I haven't changed anything. I haven't fucking changed anything. What do you mean? I haven't changed anything. Nothing has changed in OBS. This is the issue. Nothing has changed in OBS. Like, it shouldn't matter. OBS shouldn't fucking matter. That's the thing. OBS shouldn't fucking matter. Camera window is not defined. I fucking know it isn't.